our today's topic is about plant hormone. So as in human being there are also hormones which play some roles. So there are also hormones in plants also. So what is the function of hormone first of all? So hormone is a kind of signaling molecule. So it provides signal to the cell to do its process, like cell have to do the function of division, do the process of division. So it is not the cell from its own, it can't do the cell division. It has to be some signal which is provided to the cell to doing its process like cell division or other process. So these signals are provided by the hormones which are known as signaling molecule. Okay. So there are some hormones of plant like auxin, abscisic acid, cytokinin, gibberellin, ethylene, brasinosteroid, strogalactons and jasmonic acid. These five are major hormones. Okay. There are some promoter and inhibitor. So promoter means this help to promote the function of the cell to the it stimulate the cell to do its process, and inhibitor hormones are the hormones which do the inhibition of the process of the cell. It stop the cell process, like if it promotes cell to divide and cell is dividing and cell all the time do division, so it will make tumor, cancerous cell. Okay. So it is necessary to stop the process of division. It is example of cell division. Okay. So the process of cell division has to be stopped in some stage, so the inhibitor hormone is necessary to stop that process. Likewise promoter and inhibitors are present in plant also and human beings also. So let's begin about the plant hormone. So there is a auxin hormone which is promoter. I have written P for the promoter and I for the inhibitor, and its precursor is tryptophan, and its function is to root growth and xylem differentiation. Xylem is for the water and mineral transport from root to the all over the shoot. Xylem is a vascular tissue. Its differentiation by forming some vascular strands for the proper transportation of the water and minerals to the shoot from the root. Then abscisic acid, which is the inhibitor, its function is to seed dormancy and stomata closure and abscission and leaf senescence. So what is the seed dormancy? Seed dormancy is a stage when there are some climatic condition or some, it means abiotic or biotic conditions which are not in favor of the seed. Likewise there is less water present and light is present in high amount, sunlight is very high, and there are some parasites present. Likewise these are some stress condition for the seed. So that time seed goes into dormancy condition. It will, there is no any kind of process is going on in that seed when the seed is in dormancy condition. So now stomata closure, it means that when stomata is open, so gases exchange take place. When stomata is closed, so this process is stopped. Collectively I am saying that the process of seed is stopped. That's why it is abscisic acid. It is inhibiting the process of cells or the seeds. Now abscission, it is the process by which the fruit get broken from the branch of the tree and it fall down. It is the abscission. Then leaf senescence, it is the process in which the cells get dead of the leaf, and this is leaf senescence in which the cells of the leaf get dead. Okay. Then cytokinin, which is the promoter, and its function is cell division. First its precursor is IPP. Okay. So cytokinin's precursor is purine of tRNA. Function of cytokinin is cell division. So it do the stimulate the cell to get divide and delay the leaf senescence. So leaf senescence, as I have told you that leaf senescence is the stage when the cells of the leaf getting dead. Okay. So they are not functioning now, no more. So this is the leaf senescence, but it is delaying the leaf senescence. Okay. So leaf senescence phase will come some time later when the cytokinin is working. Then lateral bird's development. Lateral means sideway. So sideway birds are developing by the cytokinin. Then gibberellin hormone is a promoter hormone. Its precursor is acetyl CoA. So gibberellin hormones it play role to increasing the size of the fruit. Likewise, there are some grapes which are very small in size, and when we give gibberellin hormone to them, that grapes will get increase in size. So fruit development, cell elongation, seed germination, flowering and pollen tube growth is its function. So what is seed germination? When the seed is germinating and it is forming, when seed get condition, climatic condition, it means abiotic and biotic condition in favor to it, that time seed get germinate. Until when the seed is not getting this favorable condition, they remain to the seed dormancy. When they get to the condition which are favorable to them, then seed start germinating and it forms seedlings and then plant and then tree. Okay, so this is seed germination. Now ethylene, it is inhibitor hormone. Its function is its precursor is methionine, and function is fruit ripening, leaf and flower senescence, and inhibit stem elongation. So it stimulate to fruit to ripening and leaf and flower senescence, and inhibit the stem elongation. It is inhibitor hormone, that why it is inhibiting the process and do the senescence. And brassinosteroids, its precursor is also IPP, and its function is to resistance to the stress. It means it responds to the stress. Stress are abiotic and biotic condition when there are large amount of sunlight or low amount of water is present for the seed. Likewise, these are some stress which for that stress response is provided by the brassinosteroid hormone. And cell elongation, cell division, then stegolactones whose precursor is also IPP, and its function is to inhibition of the shoot branching. It means that the shoot, the upper body of plant is known as shoot, and the lower body which is inside the soil, it is known as root. So shoots branching is formed by the it is the formation of the shoot branching is stopped, it is inhibited by the stegolactones. Okay, its precursor is IPP. Then jasmonic acid, its precursor is alpha linoleic acid. And what is the function of jasmonic acid? Its function is to production of defense protein. It means that some proteins are produced by the jasmonic acid which do the process of defense in the plant body. It fight with the parasite or some pathogens inside it, and it do the process of tendril coiling. It do the coiling process of tendril. So that's all about plant hormones. And one thing more that I want to say, that what is the series of functioning of the hormone, which hormone function first. So the gibberellin do the first, it play role in the growing of the fruit. Then there are cytokinin and auxin at the second number, which do the cell division and more growth, to giving more growth to the fruit. And then ethylene comes to the third number, it do the ripening of the fruit, and finally it is starting to the senescensing of the leaf and the fruit, and finally the abscisic acid at the fourth number, which do the complete leaf and fruit senescence and the death of the leaf and fruits final stage. So that's all about plant hormones. So if you want any kind of notes, so you can DM on the Instagram page Fast Learning Classes, and if you want Hindi version of this video, you can check the description link. So that's all for today. If you like my video, hit the like button and subscribe my channel and share it with your friends, and keep learning. And you have to write in comment box what is the full form of IPP. Thank you.